Hello, my favorite first graders. Today is Thursday, January the 21st, in the new year 2021. What are we up to today in science? Today we will identify objects in the sky. Where's the sky? Ding, 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 ding. Do you like to look at the sky? What do you see up in the sky? Today, we are going to talk about what's up in the sky. How? We will listen to the song, Objects in the Sky, to draw and label new vocabulary words. Why? We will understand the different objects that are up in the sky. Today, we're on the hunt for 3 objects. Take a second and make a prediction. What do you think will be one of the objects in the sky we'll draw today? Ooh, that's a good idea. Wait and see. First, we're starting with our song. Singing voice ready. Here we go. Objects in the Sky by Jason Young. Sing along if you want. Ooh.
Clouds, they have no shape at all, but moon, sun, stars around. Oh, objects in the sky, way up above the ground, have different shapes and different ways of moving all around. I know the moon comes out at night, stars zoom in outer space.
Pause. Attentoscopes. What are 2 things that you see in the night sky right here? Moon. Everybody say moon. Nice job. And what else do you see in the sky? Stars. Everybody say it with me. Stars. Now, which one do you like more? Raise your hand for moon. Hands down. Raise your hand for stars. They're both so beautiful. We'll be drawing these today in our journal.
Clouds will fly like fluffy kites, but the sun, it holds its place. I'll study hard in science class and one day learn to fly. So I will get my chance to see these objects in the sky. Oh, objects in the sky, way up above the ground, have different shapes and different...
Take a look at this. Hot, hot, hot. What shape is this? Circle. Everybody say circle. Círculo. This circle, this hot, hot ball of gas has a name. It starts with an S. What is it called? The sun. Everybody say sun. Bravo. We'll be adding these 2 circles in our journal today. The moon and the sun. Look at these details. Attentoscopes. I hope today in your journal you'll add details. Look at the moon. There's some circle craters, gray and white and black. Now check out the sun. Ooh, it's a ball of hot, fiery gas. Make sure you've got your red, your orange, your yellow to make the hottest, hottest star in the sky, the sun, in your journal today. On your mark, let's keep going.
Different ways of moving all around. I wish that I could see.
What is that? That's a tool you can use to see up closer these objects in the sky. It starts with the letter T. It's called a t. What is it? Telescope. Say it with me. Telescope. I taught you this word in Spanish at the beginning of the year. Telescopio. Nice job. Have you ever used a telescope? Yes or no?
How they all move out there. Some orbit
and talk about those fluffy, fluffy, fluffy white, what are they called? Clouds. Have you ever gone outside and looked up at the clouds? They're moving and floating through the air. It says it's hard to tell their shapes. You can be creative and think of different shapes that you see in the sky. Clouds are very, very interesting.
Objects in the sky, way up above the ground, have different shapes and different ways of moving all around.
Thank you, Jason Young, for that great song, Objects in the Sky. I hope you were paying good attention for the 3 objects we're drawing today. What do you think they are? 2 are very round. 2 are out at night. On your marks, it's time to get ready. We need journals. We need pencils. And we need those crayons to show color details on the objects in the sky. Please get your 3 materials ready and meet me on the next video to start our work today. See you soon, scientists!